how to create a fragmented effect like this in Affinity Photo. Super quick, super easy, PC or Mac. I've got this image of London. It could be any image, of course. Duplicate it. So go to Layer and just down here to Duplicate. That duplicates the layer. And I'm going to work on the layer beneath. I can select here to toggle the visibility. The little dot there just makes it not visible. Then go to this layer here and then go to Filters and then down to Colors and Voronoi. Once you've selected that, you'll get this sort of effect. Go with line width, set to 0. I'm going with 233 for the cell size, and you can vary, of course, in numerous ways. You can see the image still just about there. So click Apply. Once you've got that, now go back to the other one. So go here, select it again, and toggle the visibility so it's back on again. With that selected, make certain that's selected and not the other layer. Then go to Filters and go to Distort and then down to Displace. In here, you want this option, Load Map from Layers Beneath. Just click. And now you'll see a subtle change straight away. It sets 10 as the default. Just increase the size there. Put it to be about 165, 170. And then you've got this fragmented image very, very quickly. And click Apply. Now you can apply again and again. So with this selected, again needs to be selected. You can always go to Filters and Repeat. And fragment it again. Another option, what you could do is with this, I can now again click here to get rid of this, and now can select this Voronoi effect again. And I can do exact same as before. I can go to Filters and Repeat Displacement Map, apply that to that. And again, Repeat Displacement Map, create that, or maybe apply it again. So you've got a very fragmented image now. Again, just go back here. Just click here again, make sure it's visible so you can see that fragmented image again of London. Select the layer, and exactly the same as before, you can go to Filters and you could use Repeat Displacement Map, but I'm going to go down to Distort and Displace. So select that, exactly the same as before, Load Map from Layers Beneath, and now drag here, and you get all kinds of different unusual fragmented designs by just modifying the strength, maybe negative or in positive, and then click Apply. At any point you can also apply some blending mode, so Layer and Fade Displacement Map, so you can always select that, maybe add some unusual blends, multiply all those sort of things, overlay, soft light, etc., to create some very interesting designs super quick. To create a smoother effect, also what you can do, again just click here, toggle that, go to this background layer again, go to Filters and Blur and maybe Gaussian blur. Just apply just a bit of a blur like that, maybe 170, whatever, so 17, something like that. Click Apply. You could go with 170. Go with then to this one. With this layer selected, go to Filters and then down to Distort and then down to Displace again. And then go here and select Load Maps from Layers Beneath. And this time modify the strength, and this time you'll get a slightly more smooth, unusual warping effect with your image, and click Apply. It now looks more like a painting in a very abstract kind of way. If you found this tutorial of interest, any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Always great to hear from you. A like or dislike, always appreciated. Please subscribe to the channel. Bye.